Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove background noise from your videos. Now there is a mic that does that, but if you don't have that mic, there is another way you can do that, and you can do this with your Capcut app. Yes, I'm going to show you right away. Are you ready? Let's go. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is we open our Capcut app. Click on your Capcut app and then you click on new project. As you can see, new project, click on it, and then you bring the video that you want to remove the background noise. So I just made an example today, so I'll just be using that particular video. So I have this video of 5 seconds, so we are going to use this for the tutorial. You click on add, and here we have, so this video actually has background noise. I had to say something so you know the difference. So let me play the video for you to hear. I hope you can hear that.
Can you hear the background noise?
So guys, we are going to remove this background noise, and the only thing you'll be able to hear will be my own voice. Do you understand? To be my voice. So guys, let's do that now. Very easy. So no excuse of, oh, I don't have a mic to reduce the noise for me, I cannot post videos, so there's no excuse. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is you click on the video that you just imported to this place, and then click on vocal isolation. As you can see, vocal isolation, click on it. So we have two stuffs here. The first one is keep vocal and the other one is remove vocal. I'm going to explain this right away, and they are both free. You don't need to pay money for it. So for this keep vocal, my voice will still be there, but the background noise will not be there. That's what this keep vocals means. Do you understand? Why for remove vocal, it means that my voice will be silent, and the only thing you'll be able to hear will be the background noise. I hope you understand. The one we are working with is keep vocal, because I want my voice to only come out. I don't want the background noise to be there. So click on keep vocal, and you just have to be patient for it to count to 100. Just be patient. So we are already removing the background noise. Okay, 20%, 39%, 40, 60, 72, 79. Okay, vocal isolation applied. So guys, I hope you saw that vocal, it has been removed. Let me play the video for you to see. So just listen to it if you still be able to hear any background noise.
Can you hear the background noise? So we are going to remove this right away.
So guys, as you can see, there is no more background noise in this video. We just did it now. So Capcut app is a very powerful app. Like, it's very good. You can use it to enhance your audio, whatever thing you want to do. Capcut has it, you understand? So do it to explore the app and learn more. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. More tutorials will be coming. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.